When we look at that and measure in the networks that we have, we can see that in December last year, voice was at 140,000 terabyte, whatever conceptually get that, 140,000 terabyte per month, and data then passed at that 140 terabyte per month rate, and now it's accelerating. And it has been growing the last 2 years by first 390% per year, and then a little bit slower, so all in all maybe 280% the last. But the important thing is that about 14, 15 times increase in data the last 2 years. And now we are seeing maybe a doubling every year for the coming 5 years. But that means that over the last 7 years we will have grown 250 times.
Sometimes in industry we sort of overestimate what's going to happen in next year, but we usually underestimate what's going to happen 5 to 10 years. And I guess this is a moment of those where we see the paradigm shift happening in the industry, and the usage of telecommunication and mobile communication is, of course, one of those very important steps. Taking that, of course, and seeing what we're doing in North America, because here broadband and broadband connectivity has, of course, a very big impact and a very early out, I would say. And we see also more investments in that area. I think for us, North America is a very important market, and we have created some really great assets here. We have relationship with the main customers or operators in this market. We are ranging from everything from our CDMA technology to WCDMA, HSPA to LTE, and our service portfolio. And I think that we have created a position in North America that is very, very important for us, be on one of the most important telecommunication markets as we speak.
This data explosion is happening, and the operators are having to cope with revamping and upgrading the networks and moving the networks ahead so the networks can cope with all the data that's required for all these applications. So I think that's the good news. You know, how sustainable that will be over what period of time, you know, I think that's, you know, we can speculate as to how quickly the ecosystem will evolve on LTE and so on, and, you know, how much longer CDMA will be around, and how HSPA will grow, you know, beyond 1.5 or 7.2 to 21 megabits and so on. But I think that's it's all good.